Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can limit the number of characters a user can enter in an input field. As you can see, I got an input field here, and in this input field, I can only enter up to 5 characters. Let me type some random text here. So you can see only 5 characters are allowed. Let me try once more. So as you can see, I cannot enter more than 5 characters. So this is what we're going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have some basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, style.css, and here we only need one input element. Placeholder will be type here. Save it. Create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select the input element. Font size will be 30 pixels. Display will be block. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be 2 pixel solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels and outline will be none. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see its output. In this input field, I can enter as many characters I want, but to add a limitation, we need to work on the HTML file. So let's go to code editor. Here in the HTML file, you need to add an attribute to the input element, that is max length, and set it to 5. Now we cannot enter more than 5 characters in this input field. Just save it. Go to browser. Now let's enter some characters. So you can see the limitation is now up to 5 characters. Let's make it up to 3 characters. Save it. Go to browser. Type here. So you can see I can only enter up to 3 characters in the input field, not more than that. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.